In the last video, you saw me make one of these charcuterie boards, which turned out awesome. We have a few more coming up. But in today's video, you're gonna see how I make my standard cutting board. So we're gonna go through the whole process of going from rough lumber to finished lumber. So follow along and you'll see how it's done. So we're gonna head over to the lumber storage and grab some stock for this project. So I do most of my cutting boards out of maple, cherry, and walnut. They're just the woods I find that are the best. So first things first, we're gonna cut it down into the rough size, which is 17 inches long. So I'll mark everything out. We'll head over to the miter saw, get that cut down. So everything's cut down into 17 inches by whatever width it came. So next we're gonna head over to the table saw, cut them into a few different widths. This is really just up to you, what your preference is and whatever you think is best. I tend to go with some wider pieces, some 5-6 inch pieces, as well as some more moderate 2 to 3 inch pieces, and then some 1 inch strips, some 1/2 inch strips, and some 1/4 inch strips. So we get a nice variation throughout. So we'll head over to the table saw, get some of those cut up, and then we'll get to assembly. Alright, so we just got everything cut up on the table saw, everything ripped down to size. This isn't all that I normally do. I normally do, multiple at once. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just doing enough to make just a few cutting boards. But I have all different, varying sizes of material, and I kind of just layer them as I see fit. Whatever I think looks good is what I glue up. And so everything is 17 inches long, and then I shoot between 9.5 and 10 inches wide. It just varies sometimes a little bit just based on the material that I have. So let's grab some clamps and get started. Let everything dry in the clamps overnight. The glue is all dry. Now we're just going to scrape off that excess glue before heading to the table saw to square them up, and then after the planer. We got everything squared and planed down. Next thing we're gonna do is head over to the router to round over all the edges. After that, we'll sand them and we'll finish them and we're good to go. So we just finished sanding this up to 220 with water popping to green for the final sanding. So now we're just gonna finish it off. I always start with just some general mineral oil, and then I like to put my cutting board conditioner on top of that, which gives it a little bit more of a protective layer and will help it last a little bit longer. So we just finished oiling it. As you can see, it turned out pretty nice. We have a whole stack of them to go, just because we have orders and we have people we gotta give cutting boards to and stock up on their inventory. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little build. If you have any questions or you want more of a how-to, just leave a comment below and we'll get to it. Other than that, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. We're really trying to grow and expand so that we can post more content and share more videos with you guys and teach you guys more things. So have a great day and hope you make a nice cutting board.